every agent has its own rate, so that you don't care about this stuff. All this worry is now onto the shoulder of bank. The lack of liquidity caused banks to widen the spread when quoting forward contracts. The contracts in these currencies are generally available only for short-term horizons, short period of time, not more than 90 days, I would say. So why we use forward contract in the case of bid-ask spread? Because currency is illiquid, and currency is, for example, a developing or underdeveloped country. So if I need 1 million Chilean pesos, I go to different people and they have their own rates. So why don't I go and have a contract with the bank? Now it is the worry of the bank to gather 1 million peso for me at a specified rate. That's it. Because this is a contract, and at the end, if bank couldn't meet the requirement, then so you can sue the bank. Okay, it's if the bank, bank will definitely order if even it is in loss, because it's a obligation. All right. Now, if you understand this concept, let's talk about this concept checker. So when currency options are not standardized and trade over the counter, there is dash liquidity and dash bid-ask spread. You tell me. Which one is correct? Which one is the option here? Oliver. Rugier, EGA, Tiffany.
D.
B. You are saying B? All right.
D.
Oliver said D. All right, Nina. PD. Lancelot. Dion.
We think D as well. Less liquidity, wider bid-ask spread.
Okay. PD, Rugier, EGA.
I think it's D.
D. So we have Lancelot here and Dion. Okay, Tiffany said D. Okay. Tiffany said D. Sorry about that. Dion said B. Let's see the answer. Answer is D. Why not? It's D. Because when the currency is not standardized and these are traded over the counter, right? Not on the stock exchange. We talked about in our previous classes, it would be less liquid, and when less liquid, its bid and ask spread would be high or wider. So less liquid or illiquid and wider is the option D. So we can also find out, over there we also find out what do we mean by forward premium and forward discount. So remember, forward is equal to spot rate into 1 plus P premium. Okay, so how we can use this formula here? If the euro spot rate is 1.40 and its year forward rate has a 2% premium, so it means its 1 year forward going to be the spot rate into 1 plus 0.02. Forward going to be 1.428. 1 year forward means that the settlement is going to be take place after 12 months. Okay, So we can also find out the rate of forward as well, right? So forward is equal to spot into 1 plus P here. So can you find out if that is the maturity and that is the value of the spot rate right now? Wait. Spot rate right now is $1.681 and this is the value of pound. So how much is the premium in 30 days? So can you find out the premium? What is the formula for premium? Forward is equal to spot into 1 plus P. So you need to find out this P. How you can find out? So you take this S here, S by S, 1 plus P, which is equal to P is equal to F by S minus 1. All right? The premium is equal to F by S minus 1. Forward is 1.68. What is 1.681 minus 1? If you solve it, answer going to be different, which is, let me correct this. Uh, 1.68 divided by 1.681 minus 1. It is 0.360, right? 1.68 divided by 1.681. It's going to be minus 1.00059. 0.00059. So remember, this is 1 year and this is 30 days. All right. So for 30 days, how much is the premium? So this is whole year premium. For 30 days premium, you multiply it with the whole year divided by 30. Answer going to be multiply by 360 divided by 30. Answer going to be 0.0071, which means, and of course, it's going to be a negative one because when you less it, it's going to be a negative. All right. So this is how you calculate it. So many students, they ask me the question, why we are multiplying this? Because the formula is this premium is for 1 year. All right. So that's why we do not multiply here with 360 because 360 by 360 answer is going to be 1. So if this is for 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, so you see the denominator is changing. If this is 1 year, then we do not use this because 360 divided by 360 is going to be 1. All right. So be very careful regarding finding out the premium or discount. If the answer is in negative, this is called discount. If the answer is positive, this is called premium. Guys, you understand why we have this figure here? Oliver, Thara, Mina, Tiffany, PD, EG,
Yes, all good. Thank you so much.
Lancelot, and Dione. All right? Good. Now, arbitrage. We will talk extensively about the arbitrage in our coming lectures. I would say that we have a whole theory about that. We have locational arbitrage, we have interest rate arbitrage, we have parities, different kind of stuff. So don't worry about that. So in simple sense, arbitrage is risk less profit. All right. So can we have a riskless profit here, here. If the forward rate was the same as the spot rate, arbitrage would be possible. If the forward rate is equal to the spot rate, here, if forward and these are equal, it means there is no premium and there is no discount in the market. And that can never be happen, because at the time goes, there must be either a discount or there must be either a premium. So if you see the future that there is any positivity, any premium, then you hold the currency. And if you see that there is a loss or discount, you sell the forward right now. So this is for speculation purposes. So if the forward rate was same as the spot rate, the interest rate of the two countries, it would be possible for some investors to use arbitrage to earn higher returns than would be possible domestically without incurring any additional risk. Because you already lock the currency. In this case, you are capitalizing or you are making profit on interest rates, not just on currency. You can also make an arbitrage on currency, but you can also make arbitrage on interest rate. Because future rate and forward rate are same, you go into a contract of forward and you take the money, save it with the bank. Last time we did that in our last class, and also I gave you the question in your midterm for interest rate interest rate movement. If interest is higher in another country, you save it and you receive the amount and then give back to the owners, lender and savers, right? So in this case, you can lock the currency with the same amount and you can just benefit from the difference between interest rate. So don't worry about that. We will also learn in chapter 7 extensively. We have different technologies, different categories, different theories, different formulas to make this arbitrage. Okay, so just to know that we can have a risk less profit through arbitrage if spot is equal to forward, when premium is equal to 0. All right. So movement in forward rates over time is that the forward premium is influenced by interest rate differential between the two countries and can change over time. So now question that it will answering is that we know that forward is equal to spot into 1 plus. They are saying that this premium depends on interest rate differential between two countries. Right? For example, if you are in US and US interest rate is 5%, UK interest rate is 10%. Right? So it means the exchange rate between dollar and pound gonna be influenced by the difference between interest rate 5%. The forward of the pound gonna be 5% premium. All right. The forward rate depends on interest rate differential between two countries. All right, not inflation, interest rate differential. All right.